Libra, Wednesday is a day the week finds its balance. And balance is your native language. Today you are in your element in a way that the rest of the week has not quite allowed yet. Today is Wednesday, June 17th, 2026. Welcome to Astro Healing. Venus and Mercury together today create a beautiful midweek energy for Libra that combines your natural grace and diplomacy with a sharpness and clarity of communication that is not always available to your sign. Today you are both charming and precise, both harmonious and decisive, both the most pleasant person in any room, and the one with the clearest perspective on what needs to happen next. This combination makes Wednesday the day this week where Libra is operating at their absolute highest level. In your career today, a situation that has required careful diplomatic navigation all week reaches a productive resolution. Your ability to see all sides, to find the language that honors every perspective while still moving things forward, earns you something important today. Not just professional progress. Genuine respect from the people who watched how you handled it. Also, a creative or aesthetic project benefits enormously from your Wednesday attention today. Your eye for beauty and your communicative precision together produce work today that is genuinely impressive. A collaborative opportunity arrives today that is perfectly suited for Libra's particular gifts. Someone needs you to help bring two conflicting things into alignment. Two people, two ideas, two directions. You are the one who can do this today in a way that makes everyone feel heard and no one feel dismissed. Say yes to being that bridge today. It is exactly what the situation needs and exactly what your skills are built for. In love, Libra, today is genuinely romantic in the most natural and unforced way. Venus on a Mercury Wednesday creates a flow of love, beauty, and real connection that requires no effort and no performance. Just two people in the same space, fully present with each other, letting the natural warmth between them do what it always wanted to do when there was enough space and enough quiet. Create that space tonight. Clear the evening of anything that is not essential. Let love be the entire point of your Wednesday evening. Financially, a financial communication today produces a positive result. A message you send, a call you make, or a conversation you have about money today is received more favorably than expected. Venus supports Libra financial communications this Wednesday in a meaningful way. If there's a money conversation you have been putting off because you were afraid of how it might go, have it today. The Venus energy around your financial words today is unusually favorable, and the outcome will reflect that. For your health today, Libra, your kidneys and your lower back are asking for Wednesday care. Drink water consistently throughout the day. Set a reminder if you need to. Your body today tends to forget to hydrate when your mind is engaged in interesting work, and your kidneys feel the cost of that by late afternoon. Also, if tension has accumulated in your lower back this week, 10 minutes of slow, deliberate lower back stretching before you sleep tonight will release more than you expect and allow you to sleep more deeply. Your spiritual message for today, Libra, you spend so much energy creating harmony around you. Today, create it within you first. Before you mediate anyone else's conflict, sit with your own inner scale for just 5 minutes. Where do you feel out of balance? What have you been giving too much of? What have you been giving too little to yourself? The external harmony you create so effortlessly is only sustainable when it flows from an inner equilibrium that you actively protect. Today, protect yours. Comment Libra below and tell me how your Wednesday is feeling. Hit the like button if today's reading spoke to something real. And subscribe with the bell on. Tomorrow Libra has something specific and meaningful coming. I will see you then. Take care.